Hello and welcome to ESM Squared, the podcast for experienced social media marketers. I'm Emily, your host and long-time member of the team here at Iconosquare. Iconosquare is one of the leading analytics and management tools for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. We're proud to work with some of the biggest agencies in the world, as well as huge brands such as Patagonia, Sephora, Versace and even NASA. If you're new to Iconosquare or just haven't got around to checking out our tools before, you can start with the basics by heading over to audit.iconosquare.com and getting a free audit of your Instagram and Facebook accounts to find out once and for all where you're flying high and where you're falling flat. These audits are so helpful and they are literally the best place to start when it comes to improving your social media strategy with analytics. If you're a regular listener of ESM Squared, you'll know that we have two types of episode: the interviews with social media experts, where professionals share with me and all of you their experiences working with social media, as well as their internal strategies, tips, tricks, and more. And we also have tutorial episodes in which I talk about a particular topic, which can often be a burning question for social media marketers like you, and help guide you into making strong decisions for your social strategy. This episode is a tutorial and we're asking how to get more customer testimonials on Instagram. This topic was originally covered on the blog by Val Razzo, so no need to take notes, it's all written down and ready to bookmark. Once you're done with this episode, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to the podcast and leave us a rating. And don't forget that you can try Iconosquare for free for a whole 2 weeks and you don't need to share any credit card information to get started. Contact me directly for any questions or feedback via emily@iconosquare.com. How to get more customer testimonials on Instagram. With 1 billion monthly active users, 90% of whom follow at least one business account in-app, Instagram is a great marketing communication channel for companies of all sizes and niches. If you have an Instagram presence, that's great, but do you collect customer testimonials on the platform to make the most out of it? Yes, not all businesses care about customer testimonials, but providing potential buyers with social proof can give you a competitive advantage. No matter what products or services you offer to your clients, it's more likely that you have competitors in the market who also hope for the attention of the same audience. Modern customers have too many choices, so they always buy from brands they trust. As a result, it's no wonder that 87% of people check out customer testimonials when choosing a business. WiseOwl tells us that 72% of customers say positive reviews and testimonials make them trust a business more, and 88% of consumers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. Simply put, customers are interested in a great variety of testimonial examples. Luckily, Instagram can be a great source for brands to get more of them. Why get customer testimonials on Instagram? Instagram is not just about posting photos and communication with friends anymore. It has become a great marketing platform for product discovery and research. Not only do people follow businesses in-app, but they also take actions after discovering new brands on the platform. This means great potential for business promotion. At the same time, it also means your customers want to communicate with your company on the platform, and Instagram is a valuable source of customer testimonials for the following reasons. Number 1, users are active on the platform. Instagram is one of the fastest growing social media platforms with the most engaged user base. As specified, 51% of Instagrammers visit the platform at least once per day. Thus, it's no wonder that Instagram is the most preferred communication channel for modern customers when they're ready to share their feedback with brands. Number 2, people want to interact with brands on Instagram. Users follow interesting businesses on the platform. However, they're also interested in brand communication. 150 million people have a conversation with a business every month. And this means that they're more likely to share customer experiences with you if you're listening to them. Number 3, Instagram has features that allow you to get customer testimonials in-app. The platform has over 25 million businesses and 2 million advertisers, so it constantly rolls out features that help businesses interact with their target audiences in-app. From clickable bio links to question stickers, there are many ways to get customer testimonials right on the platform. The bottom line, Instagram is a great place for connecting customer testimonials as your customers are active on the platform. They are ready to communicate with your brand, and it has all the features to make the process easier for both parties. Now let's take a look at 4 ways to get more customer testimonials on Instagram. Number 1, make the most out of your bio section. Did you know that 96% of people who discuss your company online don't follow your profile on social media? This means it should be easier for your customers who visit your brand profile to understand that you care about their feedback. It is therefore important to provide visitors with information about your request for customer testimonials in your bio section. Why? Because it's the first thing they see when visiting your profile, so it's more likely that they'll pay attention to it. Here are 2 actionable ways on how to make the most out of your bio section. Firstly, promote your brand hashtag for customer testimonials. As a business owner or digital marketer, you must know about the importance of Instagram hashtags. Using hashtags is a great way to organize conversations on the platform and help users find interesting content with ease. Most brands know that specific brand hashtags will help them stand out from the crowd and reach the right audience. If you want to collect customer testimonials, it's important to create a unique hashtag that your customers can share on their personal Instagram accounts when sharing customer experiences. For brands, this means an opportunity to gather discussions with ease. To encourage more people to use your brand hashtag on the platform and therefore get more customer testimonials, you can also include a call to action that tells your audience what they should be doing with the hashtag. Secondly, include a bio link to your customer satisfaction survey. One of the best ways to understand your customers better is to ask them to fill out a customer satisfaction survey. Most companies send them via email, but modern users get hundreds of emails daily, so it can get buried in their inbox. Having an Instagram presence, you can also spread the word about your customer satisfaction survey. If you want to turn visitors into survey participants, it's important to make it easier for interested people to fill it out. How? Link back to it. No matter how many followers you have, every Instagram user has an opportunity to include one clickable link in their bio section, and this is your chance to include a link to your survey. Number 2, showcase your happy customers. Happy customers are the lifeblood of any business. Customer satisfaction affects customer loyalty and therefore encourages people to buy more from you. What's more, happy customers are valuable promoters who help turn their friends and family into your customers. When it comes to customer testimonials, it's also important to show your happy customers to set an example for other people so that they could be enticed into sharing their customer feedback with you. There are several ways to showcase your satisfied customers and get more customer testimonials. Firstly, by publishing UGC content on your profile. Customers trust other customers. When they see peers' recommendations, they are more likely to make a purchase decision or get inspired to share their feedback too. As a result, user-generated content is a form of social proof that has gained in popularity. According to the State of UGC 2021 report, 93% of marketers claim that customers trust fan-made content rather than brand content, and 75% of marketers say that UGC makes content more authentic. User-generated content serves as a form of customer testimonial for this main reason. Only satisfied customers will produce content for you, which means people are happy with the quality of your products or services. Plus, it gives you the opportunity to tag a person so that people will be able to see for themselves fan-made content for you in exchange for getting exposure. Secondly, you could create an Instagram story highlight for customer reviews. Another great tactic to get more customer testimonials is to create a separate Instagram story highlight album with customer reviews so that followers and visitors can read all the reviews with ease. Why? Story highlights appear right below the bio section, so it's easier for customers to discover relevant content without scrolling the whole feed. The best thing about this tactic is that you can feature customer feedback screenshots, repost UGC, or create short videos with customer reviews to gather all of them in one place. To create similar cohesive Instagram story highlight album covers that match your brand identity, you can rely on a graphic design tool like Crello or InstaSize to use professionally made templates or make your own. Thirdly, you can repurpose customer testimonials for your Instagram feed. Practically every website has a customer testimonial page where customers can share their customer stories with businesses and other consumers. To get more customer testimonials on Instagram, you can turn these customer reviews into Instagram posts to set an example for your followers who can also share their feedback with you. There are many ways to do it, but the easiest way is to simply take screenshots of your customer testimonials and share them on Instagram. Number 3, use Instagram video for maximum impact. The attention span is shrinking, so it's no wonder that modern internet users often prefer watching dynamic video content. Not only does it keep the audience hooked and engaged, but it also helps to include all relevant information your viewers should know in a short video post. What's more, video customer testimonials look more authentic than text or image reviews, so it's a great idea to use video for maximum impact. For example, you can upload video customer testimonials to your IGTV channel. Back in 2018, Instagram launched its TV channel, IGTV, that allowed users to upload long-form video content up to 60 minutes in length. For marketers who want to get more customer testimonials on Instagram, it can be an alternative way to set an example for customers and encourage them to share their stories. So don't hesitate to share your video testimonials on this channel to increase brand loyalty and trust. Want to know the best part? There's no need to create an IGTV customer testimonial video for your channel if you have customer testimonial videos on your website. You can simply record video and upload it to your IGTV channel. It helps to save time, money, and effort. You could also create a live event on your profile. Live events are extremely popular among internet users. Being available for a limited time only, they create a sense of urgency, and therefore it's easier for marketers to create engaging Instagram live videos to keep the audience hooked. Here are a couple of ideas on live events to help you get more customer testimonials. Q&A sessions, interviews with customers, or a broadcast of an offline event. To get more video views, it's important to announce your live event in advance so that interested viewers could plan their time and join your session. The best way to do it is to write an Instagram post with all the important information about your event. You can also use Instagram video stories with stickers. If you don't have the opportunity or desire to invest time and effort into video content creation, you can make Instagram video stories that appear on a separate feed. Instagram stories are available for 24 hours only, so there's no need to create professionally made videos. Moreover, people love authentic content and 500 million accounts create or watch Instagram stories daily. What's more, there's a great variety of features that allow marketers to gather customer testimonials in-app. Here are several options you can choose from. Clickable story links, which give you an opportunity to add a link to your customer satisfaction survey. Poll stickers, in which viewers can vote on their favorite product and therefore brands can understand customer preferences better. And question stickers, which help marketers collect customer thoughts without being limited to 2 options. Number 4, encourage customers to share their thoughts. Most people don't share their thoughts about your company as they believe you won't consider them. It's proven that implementing customer feedback substantially makes your customers 97% more likely to be loyal to you. This means that you need to show your interest in their thoughts and encourage them to give them to you. Here are 3 ideas that motivate followers to share their customer experiences. Number 1, team up with niche Instagram influencers. As a marketer, it's likely that you know about the importance of Instagram influencer marketing. Since modern customers follow opinion leaders on the platform and trust their recommendations as much as real-world friends, Instagram influencers can encourage your customers to share their thoughts about your product. The easiest way to do so is to send your branded freebies in exchange for product reviews. Ask influencers to share their customer experience with their following and ask their followers to share their thoughts about your products. Most influencers who have a higher engagement rate are able to generate more customer testimonials after asking their followers about their thoughts. Number 2, organize an Instagram giveaway. Sometimes a small incentive from your brand is the best motivation for your customers to encourage them to produce customer testimonials for your company. When it comes to Instagram, you can reach a wider audience of your customers, which means you can get more customer testimonials. If you want to get more customer testimonials with Instagram giveaways, you can ask your followers to fill out a customer satisfaction survey or create fan-made content as participation requirements. And finally, you could promote your customer loyalty program. As a marketer, you should know that running a loyalty program is one of the best customer retention strategies that keeps customers coming back to the same company. Whether you offer a discount, reward points, or free delivery, customers love getting incentives and it encourages them to make purchase decisions. In promoting a customer loyalty program on Instagram, not only can you increase your in-app sales, but you can also encourage people to produce customer testimonials for you, as loyal customers are more likely to create customer testimonials if you ask them to do it. In conclusion, Instagram is a powerful marketing tool that helps businesses reach their target audiences, deliver brand messages, and even sell products in-app. However, Instagram can also be a valuable source of customer feedback if you know how to ask your followers and visitors to share their thoughts on your company and its products. To get more customer testimonials on Instagram, you can give the tips we've mentioned a try and find out what works best for you and your followers. As a result, not only will you gather customer feedback on Instagram with ease, but you can also increase your user engagement and your brand loyalty as people want to be heard. That's all for today's episode. Don't forget that you can check out our other tutorials and interviews with experienced social media marketers on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, and TuneIn. Please don't hesitate to give this episode a rating, and for all questions and comments or to inquire about being interviewed on ESM Squared, contact me directly via emily@iconosquared.com.